Good morning. Welcome to another edition of Getting Legal with Tim Misny. Tim, we're here in beautiful downtown Cleveland, and we've been talking about personal injury cases, especially permanent injury cases that you deal with. In terms of those valuations that we've talked about, what have you dealt with?
Well, over 32 years, I've seen basically everything that the whole realm of cases. And every case, as I've said before, is unique unto itself. It's like a snowflake. But I evaluate each case individually. And depending upon the nature of the case, we bring in the appropriate experts to prove the case. You have criterion of a case that you have to prove.
And we've been talking about the experts, some types of experts that you deal with depending on people's cases. Bring in anyone from like an economist to a life care planner.
Exactly right.
And, medical experts
Yes.
and whatnot. So there could be a whole bunch of people brought in for your specific case, but how do you decide?
I can tell you this, that it gets very expensive very quickly. I recently settled a case for a gentleman who had suffered a horrific injury, and we had in excess of $150,000 of our own money into the case for expert testimony and expert reports, etc.
So do I have to lay out any money?
Absolutely
These
not.
experts are coming in?
When a client comes to see me, Jason, it literally is a no-lose proposition. As you know, I work on a contingency basis, so I get paid when the case resolves. I fund the whole case, so it costs the client nothing. And if we're not successful, then the client owes me nothing in terms of fees or expenses.
And how do you make sure that, I guess, my life at the end of this whole process, that I will be somewhat okay?
Well, that is called proving the elements of the case. And that's what we do with bringing the experts in to show just how badly this has affected you for the rest of your life.
All right, how can people get in touch with you?
It's real simple, 1-800-55-MISNY, or if you're ever downtown Cleveland, we're sitting here in the park, come up and say hello.
That's right. All right, thanks so much,
Thank
Tim.
you, Jason.
Thanks for watching. This has been Getting Legal with Tim Misny, sponsored by Misny Law.